called ice. And I will give it to you later after my speech, so you can take some photos, so you can touch it or even lick it if you want. You know, it's fully vegan. It's also gluten-free, lactose-free, and even sugar-free. So feel free. But now I put it on side, so it doesn't melt so fast in my hands. So this piece of ice we got comes from this glacier here on my left, called Jökulsárlón, which means a glacier of lakes. It's the biggest glacier in Iceland and also the biggest one in Europe.
Oh.
It has over 8,000 square kilometers and covers about 8% of the whole country. All 7 glaciers here covers about 11%. So you can imagine how enormous it is. I like to think about Jökulsárlón like an octopus. So like octopus has 8 legs, like this glacier has 30 tanks or outlets. And this one here on my left is the biggest one, and it's called Reykjavik. For my speech, so you can touch it or even lick it if you want. You know, it's fully vegan. It's also gluten-free, lactose-free, and even sugar-free. So feel free. But now I put it on side.